Okay, let's talk about the expand tool. Check out this drone shot I got of my wife was paddleboarding in Sardinia on our honeymoon. And so the expand tool. So one quick thing to note, there's a couple tools in Snapseed that the very first time you ever use them, you will need to install them. Okay, so expand. Basically what this allows you to do is push out your image as either you had captured more, or if you want to essentially add a border or sort of resize your image. So I'm gonna show you what both of those are. So there is Smart Expand, and what this will do is it will like kind of expand out and copy what's in the image. So like, let's say I wanna make this look as though I was actually much higher in the air with my drone, or had a much wider angle lens on the drone. I can push these out, and it's just gonna make it look like there is more and more ocean. Now, this model isn't super smart today, and so it's basically just replicating things out. And why that's important is that like, it works pretty well on something like ocean, right? It can like copy that out, and if you squint you can probably see the patterns being replicated. But like, where you wouldn't want to use this, if there's like a human on the edge of the frame, or like something really complicated, or like something very precise, it's gonna look at really janky because it's just gonna kind of like multiply them out, and you're not gonna probably like the result unless you're going for that kind of chaotic vibe. Okay, so that's one thing we can do. Okay, now I can bring this back in if I want to. But the other thing you can do, and sometimes I use this to just kind of frame my images, like almost think like matting in a frame, is you can just resize your image by adding either white or black. So yeah, that is the expand tool.